With the cost of construction, it's always more than you think it's going to be. So you need to save wherever you can, and this is an area that's going to save you a lot of money. You're going to save. We're going to save at least $150,000 on this project.
What would you say to somebody who's considering using HomeWrights for their custom home project?
Well, I think if you're willing to put the time and effort into it, they're the way to go. There's not too many options as far as owner-builder, short of doing it on your own, and I don't think you'd want to do that for what it costs you to get HomeWrights to help you, because mistakes are expensive on the job site. So you need that consultation, you need that guidance. So I say that's the way to go. They're a great company, a lot of experience. They know what they're doing, and I highly recommend it.